Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see how to set up SwiftUI project and Hello World app. Open the Xcode and select create new project. We have options like iOS, macOS, watchOS like that, and select app and click next. In the product name give as Hello World and then the interface select SwiftUI. Click next, then click create. So initially we have content view. Content view is a view whatever we are giving inside that view, that will be appeared in the app screen. So we have inside the view we have vstack. Vstack is a layout container which hold the child views. Here there are two child views, image and text. So in the right hand side we have a live preview. What are the things we are changing in the code that will be appeared in the live preview. If you want, we can hide the live preview from the screen. For that, click this icon and deselect canvas. To appear to see the live preview, click this icon and select canvas. So in the live preview we are seeing image and hello world text that is given in the code. Now we are going to run the project. So whatever we have seen the live preview, that is appearing in the simulator. So now we have covered how to set up the SwiftUI project and Hello World app.